Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're down here at Trollhagen, and we're making a Friday night run, and or Friday evening run, and Nick has a, well, relatively new Blazer that he just did a bunch of work to, and unfortunately he shorted something out, melted a tranny cooler line, and now he needs a tow.
It pivots off of these. I don't think mine has that center. And if mine does have that center, then I definitely don't use it. Huh. Let's slip.
I don't bother with that.
You don't do that? All right.
No. Yeah, just loop it on there.
Everybody's got their other different ways of hooking up.
Yep. It's just, when you tie them on, then sometimes it gets hard to take them off.
Yeah. Yeah, I always tied them on because the one time I didn't, I dropped the truck, and in the middle of Memorial, that's the most embarrassing thing when I'll lose a chain on a truck.
Yeah. Out here, but Eric needs to come through.
action, and we're out of the woods.
And look, you can stand up. You don't have to stand on it. You can stand
Right?
double service.
He's got to wash a bunch of tranny fluid off of that.
These hoses, and granted it's not a permanent fix, you think I'll be able to cut that in half, just put a barb in between?
If you want.
I mean, just for a weekend fix. It's not like I'm gonna run that. Instead of going home and grabbing the hose and putting my old setup back in.
Yeah.
I've never cut one of these hoses open before.
Yeah, you
I got the angle grinder.
Yeah.
You know, wrap it in electrical tape, cut it with the angle grinder, and
you can cut it open, yeah. And it,
hose clamp it. That'll be a trail fix. So at least I can wheel tomorrow.
yep.
That might be easier. Cause I was about to climb underneath and start taking lines off, but I'm like, well, I mean, maybe
No, you can cut it, patch it.
go to O'Reilly's in the morning. I can go pick myself a barb fitting and.
Yeah. Well, it's a new day, and Saturday down here at Trollhagen, and we got a call for one second hill on Blue. It's a Truggy, I think. I don't know. He broke a front shaft, and he's got a rear tire that's, you know, flat, messed up, whatever. Anyway, we're going to get him out.
Hard shell. Are they with you? What did you do?
Well, we wedged
back, see him coming.
Okay, looks like we're ready to go. We can squeeze through the trees here.
His front tires. He's got it.
Good job.
That mirror needs to go out. That's too far. In a little more. There we go. Alright, we're through the trees. And now it's down and out.
One of the J-hooks fell off. My J-hook.
Well, we had to make a little adjustment to our hookup, but we got her set now.
Yeah. Dead.
Okay. All right. him all back to his camp. We got his tire on, we got it aired up, he can get it on the trailer. So now we got to go out on Red Trail and get a Jeep, I think it was. It's overheating, something else, I'm not sure, but we're heading in on Red Trail. They said, huh?
Going to the back one.
Yeah, they said they were past the big water, so we're gonna go in the back way and see if we can find them.
Wow. That's a wash out.
Yeah. That one?
They're driving it over to us.
Oh, well they can drive it out then because it's right there.
Yeah.
Apparently it's just overheating, so they can drive it all the way out, because of the shortcut. So we'll go tell them that. Okay, it's pouring out the radiator as fast as they can pour water in. They cracked the radiator, busted a tank or something, but we're close enough to the racetrack. They're going to drive it down there and back to the parking lot, and then we'll see what they're going to do. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.